DampRid hanging bag moisture absorber eliminates excess moisture that causes dampness, musty odors from the air, and gets rid of stale, musty odors. The hanging bag design is perfect for closets, laundry rooms, and storage areas where clothes often collect unpleasant odors. DampRid crystals absorb excess moisture to create and maintain the optimal humidity level wherever moisture is a problem. Each dehumidifying bag can last up to 60 days depending on the level of humidity and temperature. When the bag is finished, simply discard and replace it. Available in a variety of scents or fragrance-free. Not for use in moving vehicles. Keep out of reach of children. Read and follow all label directions. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. DampRid Fresh Scent Hanging Moisture Absorber attracts and traps excess moisture from the air. Number 2. The hanging bag design is great for use in closets, laundry rooms, or any space where stagnant air is often a problem. Number 3. Think of it as a dehumidifier without electricity. Each moisture-absorbing bag lasts up to 60 days depending on temperature and humidity. Number 4. Great for basements, garages, boats, and more. Number 5. This formula is non-toxic, septic safe, and friendly to the environment, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.